This was a very dangerous situation for residents in the Bower Hill apartments here on Bower Hill Road in Mount Lebanon, and it was also very tedious for Mount Lebanon firefighters to go through this building and make sure that everyone was okay. We do know that one person was taken to the hospital with possible carbon monoxide poisoning. Dispatchers confirm a carbon monoxide leak from the pool of this apartment building was the issue. Mount Lebanon firefighters say they checked every room on all 8 floors of this building to make sure that it was safe for residents to return. Now, everyone was evacuated around 6:30 this evening. They were allowed back in by 8:45, and at this point, we do not know the condition of that person who was taken to the hospital. Reporting in Mount Lebanon tonight, I'm Kelly Brennan, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.